On the side navigation menu, expand and navigate to either the performance or conversions page. There you'll find the date picker. Within the date picker, you will notice that there's a compare toggle. Enable the toggle, and this will open up the feature to compare data from the current period to prior periods. Here you can select, and of course you are able to customize as well. And simply disable the feature. You can click on the toggle, and that will revert the comparison. Note when the comparison is enabled, you'll see the date range compared to listed below the primary current period date.